Hi, I'm Phil Clay, and I work in consumer care at Heatelator. We're here today to talk about resetting your RC remote control. There are many reasons you might need to reset the remote control. A couple of the most common are a dead battery that's been dead for a while and you've lost the signal, or perhaps you've pressed the buttons too frequently or too quickly and locked yourself out. If you have an RC remote control, you'll have an RC300, an RC200, or an RC100. The first step to reset your remote control is to access the controls area. To do that, we're going to remove the decorative front. Always be sure that your fireplace is cool, that it hasn't been running for at least half an hour before trying to access this area. Now you can see the controls underneath the fireplace. You need to make sure you have your RC remote control and a simple household paperclip. The first thing that we want to do is to ensure that our remote on-off switch is in the remote position. The switch is located right here, and the remote position is always all the way to the right. Now we take our paperclip and we insert it into the Learn button hole. The Learn button hole is always located immediately below the word remote. We insert the paperclip in, you'll feel the button, press it and release. The green light will flash. This indicates you have 90 seconds to synchronize your remote control. To synchronize your remote control, push the on button on the remote control and you'll hear a double beep. You've now synchronized your remote control with the receiver unit in the fireplace. Now that we've synchronized our remote with our receiver and replaced the front, we can turn our fireplace on. If your fireplace still doesn't come on, or if you have other issues, your local dealer is your best resource to alleviate these issues.